Hey guys, Jimmy Donley, Ford in Mount Vernon. I want to show you a 2023 Chevy Camaro SS Convertible that we just took in a few days ago. Obviously that bright blue color that pops. Black on the hood scoop, the silver stripe as well. Black wheels, does have the big Brembo brakes on it. Of course, easy entry. Got the blind spot monitor there, leather on the inside, power seats. It is a 7-speed manual. Does have a back seat. I don't think anybody's ever going to sit in it. A little bit of trunk space as well. Backup sensors, backup camera. Just under 3,600 miles on this thing, guys. I'm not really the ins and outs with all the power in the motor. That's more Gabe and Chad style. But great looking car. If it catches your eye, come see us. We'd love to show it to you.